Hello and welcome. Our specialty is vintage car renovation. We had a brilliant idea to surprise you and restore a car completely for free. I invite you to watch our films, subscribe and click the notification bell. And of course, leave a comment if you like what you see. We'll be following your comments and suggestions. And now enjoy our first episode. Okay, let's go, Mariusz. So we're going to Bytom for that Fiat 126P. Yeah, the 126 is in Bytom in a garage. You'll see, it looks awesome. You'll see its condition. I've seen it already and like it a lot, but you'll see for yourself. What's the year? 74. It's great, still original color. It hasn't been repainted. It's complete? Complete. It's a very good base to rebuild the 126 and give it to you. Okay, we're here. Mariusz, which garage is it? The green one. Give me the keys, let's see the car. Okay, here, we're opening. Oh, great! A beautiful little one. Open the garage. Pulling, pulling. Still on old plates. Awesome. I've already seen it before. You take a look. Look at this paint. It's basically original, right? I think it'll need some body work. You can see it on the arches, it's eaten through. We can see the holes here. We'll manage. Sure we will. All this will need replacing. Come on, let's pull it out and show it to the viewers in its full glory. This way, slow and steady.
Okay.
Okay, a beautiful 126, according to its paperwork, 1974. Look, the original rims with the pressed Fiat emblem. The front apron, all original. An original front, elegant, with wide inlets in the back, right? That's why I chose it. Air inlets on the sides, on the fenders. That's why I decided to get it, and it's perfect for our project of renovating a Fiat and giving it away. You'll decide what color it will be, you'll choose the interior, the upholstery we'll use. And we'll start packing it onto the trailer. And we'll start the renovation. Mariusz, what do you think about it? The floor looks a bit rusty. There's gonna be some bodywork, yeah. A lot of bodywork for sure, but for this year and this price, I think it's a fantastic purchase. It's great value for a car in this condition. Not to mention the value we'll put in, money-wise and work-wise. Yeah, but look at it here. Everything seems generally healthy. The paint is flaking, but it's original for the year. It doesn't look like anything was done. Oh look, the Fiat rim. There's a lot of rims out there that don't have this pressing. The arch is a bit rusty. A rarity. An awesome little one. Okay, come over here and take a look. I checked it out yesterday while talking to the man I bought it from. The engine is there, unfortunately it's shot. But while rebuilding, we'll most likely take it apart piece by piece. You can see other engines we've rebuilt in our films, so I think it'll be awesome. We've chosen the 126 because it's iconic. I remember my childhood and traveling with my parents in a 126. I think everyone does. I know, right? Well then, let's load it, help me push. And on the trailer it goes. And on it goes, look at it go. We've got it. Let's get back. Let's close up and get underway. Coffee time and then to the shop, right? First plans? First things first, we take it up on the jack and take a look underneath. I think it's in pretty good shape. We're starting a big project here in which you too can win a 126p. Films will be uploaded every 2 weeks or so, because there's a lot of work to do on the car and we've got other projects as well. Let us know in the comments what you think of the project. I don't think there's another one like this where there's basically a free car renovation. If you want to help this project succeed, subscribe to our channel. Here's the bell. I'll give you a moment to click the subscribe button and notification bell while I take a sip of coffee. The 126 is already here. Take a look at it and how it looks right now. In the next episode, we'll start taking it apart piece by piece. And I'm really curious to see what we'll find and what challenges we face. Stay tuned and see you in the next episode. Bye!